Best Doctors Insurance, we work with providers and agents around the world to offer our members excellent care in their time of need. If a client has recently been treated or provided a service, it's important to file a claim shortly after their visit to ensure timely service. To file a claim, visit the Agent portal using Google Chrome. Select the account type. In this case, we're selecting Agent/Agent Staff. Enter your username or email and password. Click on the Policies tab at the top of the screen. Insert the specific policy number you'd like to file a claim for. Do not enter any hyphens or spaces. Click on the Search button. Once you hit Search, a table will appear with your agent name and information. Click on the bullet to the left to open the desired policy information. Click on the policy number in the table. This will open a policy summary page. Scroll down to the table containing the members included in the policy. The second to last column on the right is File a Claim. Click the File a Claim icon in the row of the member you wish to file a claim for. This will direct you to the New Claims tab. On the Policy Detail page of the New Claims tab, enter the policyholder's email address. Scroll to the bottom and verify that you have the information required to file a claim. It's very important that the images are organized and saved in one file per provider and per event before beginning the submission. Doing this will avoid delays in the processing of the claims. If you do have all the required information, check the Agree box and then click on the Next button. This will take you to the Claims Information page. You will now have a submission number visible at the top of the claims form. In the event that you cannot complete the form in one sitting, this number can be used as a reference to locate your claim under the Pending Claims tab of the Main Claims tab. On the Claims Information page, click on the Attach Form button and then the Select button to upload the completed claim form. This form can be found in the Resource section of the Agent portal. Make sure to complete the form and save it on your computer in order to be able to upload it in the Claims Information page. Then, specify if the claim form contains banking information or not by clicking on the Yes or No box. Scroll down and enter the name of the provider and the type of service you're filing a claim for. Select whether the service was provided in or out of the United States by selecting the appropriate box. Click on the Upload Bills button and then the Select button to attach any corresponding medical bills. If you have more than one medical event, click on the New Provider button and repeat the process. Click Next to go to the Upload File page. In the Upload Files page, you can upload your medical records and any general documents you may have for these medical events. Neither of these are required, but they help prevent delays in processing your claim. When you've completed uploading your documents, click the Next button. This will take you to the Claim Summary page, where you can corroborate all of the information you've provided and add any additional comments you may have. Once you have confirmed that all of your listed information is accurate, click on the Submit button. This will take you to the Confirmation page. Here you will see a claim number to help you track the progress of your claim. When you want to follow up on the status of your claim, visit the Pending Claims tab. And remember, if you need any additional assistance with your claim submission, please contact BD Service at bestdoctorsinsurance.com.